Want to make your Facebook profile stand out with a banner that truly wows? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an astonishing Facebook banner in Canva, quickly and easily, even if you've never designed before. First, open Canva and type Facebook cover in the search bar. You'll instantly see hundreds of ready-made templates designed to grab attention. Pick one that fits your style and vibe. Now comes the fun part, customization. Click on the text to change it, choose your favorite fonts, and experiment with colors to match your brand or personal style. You can also upload your own photos or logos to make the banner truly yours. Don't forget the Elements tab. Here, you'll find icons, shapes, illustrations, and graphics that can make your banner pop. Canva's drag and drop feature makes it super easy to move things around until your design feels just right. Once your masterpiece is ready, hit download and choose JPG or PNG. That's it. You now have a stunning Facebook banner ready to impress your friends, followers, or audience. Creating a standout Facebook banner doesn't have to be complicated. With Canva, it's fast, fun, and totally customizable. So go ahead, try these tips, and watch your Facebook profile get the upgrade it deserves.